Welcome to the Bot Factory. You've got your 3Commas account set up and you're ready to put your capital to work. Today we're going to build our very first employee, a DCA trading bot. I'm in the DCA Bot section of 3Commas and I'm going to click Create Bot. We're going to use the advanced mode to have full control. First, we give our bot a name. Let's call it My First BTC Bot. We'll choose our exchange and the pair we want to trade, which will be BTC USDT. We're going to set our strategy to long because we want to buy low and sell high. Our base order size will be our initial investment for each new deal. Let's set it to $10 for this example. The safety order size is how much the bot will buy if the price drops. We'll also set this to $10. Now for the core of the DCA strategy, the safety orders. The price deviation is the percentage the price needs to drop before a safety order is placed. We'll set this to 2%. The max safety orders count is the maximum number of times the bot will do this. We'll set it to 5. So, if the price of Bitcoin drops 2% after our first buy, the bot will buy another $10 worth. If it drops another 2%, it will buy another $10, and so on, up to 5 times. This brings our average entry price down, so we don't need the price to recover as much to make a profit. For our take profit, we'll set it to 1%. This means that once the price is 1% above our average entry price, the bot will sell everything and close the deal. This is a pro tip. We don't want our bot to start a new deal at any time. We want it to start when the conditions are favorable. We're going to set a deal start condition. We'll use the RSI indicator. I'm going to set it so that the bot will only start a new deal if the RSI on the 4-hour time frame is less than 50. Before we launch, we need to backtest. 3Commas has a built-in backtesting feature. I'll click backtest and see how this bot would have performed over the last month. The results look pretty good. This gives us the confidence to launch the bot with real money, although we should always start with a small amount. And that's it. You've just built your first automated trading bot. For your Do Now project, you're going to go through this process and build your own simple DCA bot. Don't worry, you don't have to launch it with real money yet. The goal is just to get comfortable with the process. Congratulations on becoming a bot master. Tomorrow, we'll explore another powerful type of bot, the grid bot. I'll see you then. Don't miss out on the latest crypto trading tips, market news, platform updates, and exclusive course content. Our newsletter keeps you informed and ahead of the market, delivered straight to your inbox. Visit news@makeittakeit.org to subscribe today and become part of our growing community of crypto traders.